फ्रेंड्स मु उमेश चंद्र साहू आपण को आमर यूट्यूब चैनल इलाइट क्लासेस को आउ थे स्वागत करुच्ची। पूर्व क्लास रे आमे मैट्रिक्स रो डेफिनेशन, एडिशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस, सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस इत्यादि इत्यादि हम पढ़ी केतक इनफॉरमेशन मैं आपण मानक देइथिली। आपण चाहिले हमर लिंक अछि सब्सक्रिप्शन रे देखिदेबे। एबे आमे मैट्रिसेस रो सम डेफिनेशंस, अदर डेफिनेशंस आमे ऊपर आमे डिस्कशन करिबा। फर्स्ट मु नेछि व्हाट इज जीरो मैट्रिक्स। जीरो मैट्रिक्स मीन्स zero matrix. What is zero matrix? The matrices having all the elements are zero. The matrix having all the elements are zero is called zero matrix. That is, हम एग्जांपल नहीं परिबा। सपोज 0 0 0 0 in the order 2 by 2 is a zero matrix, and 0 0 0 0 0 0 of order 2 by 3 is called also a zero matrix. If the order m into n, then it can be written 0 m into n. It is called 0 m into n. Clear? Again, we are going to discuss about what is the transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix. Transpose of a matrix. What is the transpose of a matrix? If a matrix A can be written A, B, C, D, E, F of order 2 by 3 or 2 cross 3, then what is its transpose? Its transpose, which can be written as A dash or A T, by changing the order. That means by changing the rows into columns or columns into rows. So we can write in A T is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F in the order 3 by 2. That means the transpose of a matrix can be formed by changing its rows into columns or columns into rows. Clear? Again, we are going to analyze transpose of a transpose. Transpose of a transpose. That means if A is a matrix and its transpose is AT, then transpose of a transpose means transpose of AT. AT ro transpose is equal to the given matrix itself. That means AT, transpose of AT is equal to A transpose of BT is equal to B. So transpose of a transpose means the original matrix. Now we are going to discuss what is row matrix and column matrix. Row matrix means row matrix. Row matrix means the matrix having a single row is called a row matrix. A matrix having a single row is called a row matrix. Now we can write a row matrix. Suppose A is a matrix A, B, C. अरे गोटे रो अच्छी कॉलम जितना था ना कहीं सपोज इट आला 1 into 3 इटा 1/3 matrix is called a row matrix. Similarly, suppose B is a matrix A, B, C up to A, suppose n. N is infinity. It's called a also a row matrix, and its order is O1 cross n. 1 cross n. Single row. Single row अच्छी column एकाधिक रही पारे. Column एकाधिक रही पारे. Column मध्य n टा nth column अच्छी ताने 1 into 1/n. Similarly, what is a column matrix? A column matrix. What is column matrix? A matrix having a single column. A matrix having a single column is called a column matrix. Now we can write a column matrix. Suppose A, B, C, D. Its order is 4 into 1. Similarly, x1, x2, x3 up to xn, and its order is n into 1. Row matrix आम कहते 1 into n and column matrix n into 1 because it has nth row and a single column. Clear? Now we are going to discuss about diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? What is diagonal matrix? The diagonal matrix called now if a matrix having the now diagonal matrix means it is a square matrix. It is a square matrix. That means number of rows and number of columns are same. Is called square matrix. I mean previous class रे square matrix संपर्क आलोचना करथिले. We have discussed about this. And diagonal matrix is a square matrix if all the elements, all the diagonal elements, all the non-diagonal elements are 0. That is called diagonal matrix. That means A, example would know A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C. All the non-diagonal elements are 0. A diagonal matrix is a matrix. Definition पे लिखो. A diagonal matrix is a matrix if all the non-diagonal elements or 0 is called a diagonal matrix. Example ନେଇପାରିବା ଆମେ suppose 2 0 3 0 5 0 sorry 0 0 2 0 0 2 0 0 0 5 0 and 0 0 7 is called a diagonal matrix. Then we are going to discuss about scalar matrix. What is scalar matrix? Scalar matrix is also a diagonal matrix. But ବ୍ୟତିକ୍ରମ କ'ଣ? ବ୍ୟତିକ୍ରମ ହେଉଛି all the diagonal elements are equal. All the diagonal elements are equal. Suppose B is a diagonal scalar matrix and suppose x 0 0 0 x 0 0 0 x 0 0 x is called a scalar matrix. For an example, suppose 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3 is called a scalar matrix. Then we can, what is unit matrix? Unit matrix unit matrix. What is unit matrix? If all the diagonal elements are unity, that means 1. If all the diagonal elements are unity, that is 1, is called a unity matrix. Unit matrix. If all the diagonal elements are unity, that is 1, is called a unit matrix, which is denoted by I. Which is denoted by I. For an example, I is equal to 1 0 0 1 of order 2 by 2. Again, I is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 is also a unit matrix of order 3 or order 3 by 3. Clear? Then, what is equality of two matrices? Equality of two matrices. Equality means equality of two matrices. Two matrices, suppose A and B are two matrices. Suppose A and B are two matrices. And A is equal to A, B, C, D. B is equal to P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S. Then A is equal to B. Equality of two matrices. Suppose A is equal to B means that means A is equal to P. The corresponding elements are equal. A is equal to P, B is equal to Q, C is equal to R, and D is equal to S. Now, for suppose A is equal to 2x plus 1, 3y minus 1, 5, 7. And B is equal to B is equal to suppose 11, 5, 11, 5, 7, 7. Suppose if A is equal to B, then what is the value of X and Y? If A is equal to B, then what is the value of X and Y? Suppose 2x, here A is equal to B means 2x plus 1 is equal to 11, and 2x is equal to 11 minus 1 is equal to 10, or x is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So the value of x is equal to 5. Similarly, 3y minus 1 is equal to 7. 3y minus 1 is equal to 7. Suppose 8. 8. 3y is equal to 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, or y is equal to 9 by 3 is equal to 3. So equality of two sets, equality of two matrices. From equality of two matrices, we can find the unknown quantity x and y, जोटा कि हमको प्रॉब्लम रे सहायता करिवो। तो पिला माने आज आमे जति विषय डिस्कशन कले, जति पॉइंट पर आलोकपात कले, मु आशा करे आपण माने ए प्रत्येक पॉइंट को पुंखानुपुंख भाव में यदि अनुध्यान करती ताले आमको मैट्रिसेस रो जो विभिन्न प्रॉब्लम आमे परवर्ती क्लास रे आलोचना करिबा सेटा सहायता आपण मान हबो। एवं मोर अनुरोध आपण माने हमर चैनल को इलाइट क्लासेस को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करिया पय आदौ भूलिबे नै। तेणु बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपण मान को हमर क्लास को आपण देखिथिबारु। तेणु मु भाबुची आपण कमेंट माध्यम रे जदि जणैबे ताले परवर्ती समय आमर नुआ नुआ वीडियो आपण को आमे देखिबारे सहायता आपण मन हबो एवं आपण मन फ्यूचर गठन एटा को सहायता करिवो। धन्यवाद।